Very good morning, students. Welcome back to the income tax classes. So previously we discussed two or three problems in mercantile system, and this is also very important question for your examination point of view. So see the question. So from the following income and expenditure account and additional information of Dr. Patel, who maintains books of accounts under mercantile system of accounting, compute taxable income from profession for the assessment year 1920. We need to calculate. So in common thing is, so here mercantile system. So in previous problem they did not mention anything whether it's a mercantile system of accounting, whether it's a cash system. But in this problem they mention mercantile system directly, but it is a rare case they will not mention anything. So you need to understand whether it is a mercantile system, whether it is a cash system. I already told that how you can find the whether it's a mercantile, whether it's a cash system. So if they are directly given in the sense you don't have any doubt, you will directly do in the mercantile system. But in exam you have to do in mercantile system only. So here we need to calculate in two methods, that is mercantile system and cash system. So see the question for your better understanding. So rent of clinic, so 3 years expenses is given, rent 2017 18 18 19 19 20. What is our previous year? 18 19, right? 18 19 they give 20,000. So only in mercantile system previous year is allowable, before previous year and after previous year is disallowable. 2017 18 19 20, so both are disallowable, only 18 19 is allowable. So allowable no need to consider, right? But in case of cash system only we need to take allowable 18 19, right? So 2017 18 disallowable, 19 20 disallowable. In case of consultation fees also same, 2017 18 disallowable, 19 20 disallowable. So only relevant previous year we need to take 18 19. So electricity and water, so 2200 they gave, so this is purely allowable. Next, household expenses, it is a disallowable. Next, municipal taxes on HP, it is also disallowable. Next, purchase of car, it's a capital expenditure, disallowable. Next, laptop purchase, it is also disallowable. So but they gave date 1/3/2019, 1/3/2019 they gave, since we need to calculate days, right? See, they gave March. So our previous year ends 1/4/2018 to 31st March 2019. So they purchased in the March, only 30 days, right? 31 days. So 31 days is nothing but it's a less than 180 days. Less than 180 days nothing but we need to calculate half of the depreciation. Next, income tax. Income tax is disallowed, but income tax they gave adjustment. See, income tax includes 2,000 for profession tax paid to state government. Out of 12,000, 2,000 is allowable. Only we need to consider 10,000 is disallowable. Next, salary to compounder allowable. Purchase of books also disallowable. Next, expenses on income tax proceeding. Income tax is disallowable, but expenses on income tax is allowable. Next, life insurance premium disallowable. Gift to wife, it's not a business related, it is personal, right? It is also disallowable. Next, interest and loan. So interest and loan, whether it took for professional or whether it took for personal, both are allowable. Why? Because both are revenue in nature, no? But in case of loan, that is disallowable. In case of interest and loan for profession, interest and loan personal, both are allowable. Why? Because these two are revenue in nature. Next, loan installment paid, it is disallowable, whether it is a professional, whether it is a personal, disallowable. Next, donation to a notified temple, disallowable. Next, car expenses. See, for car expenses they gave adjustment. 40% of car expenses are personal use. Out of car expense how much? 20,000. So 40% is disallowable, remaining 60% is allowable. Next, purchase of surgical equipment, it is also disallowable. So you need to calculate 15% or 40%. So whatever you can calculate, write note in below. So 40%, but in this problem I consider 40%. So purchase of medicines, it will explain how you will treat in the solution. Next, so consultation fees I will already explained. Visiting fees is a professional related. Next, loan from bank, it is other sources of income. Other sources of income we need not to consider. In case of mercantilism, we will consider exempted income, other sources of income credited to profit and loss account. Under that head we will consider. So loan from bank, that is also other sources of income. And capital expenditure, capital in nature, no. Next, gift from patients. Gift from patients, they gave one adjustment. See, gift from patients include 8,000 received on the occasion of marriage from friends. On his marriage he received 8,000. Out of 20,000, 8,000 is personal, nothing but it's a other sources of income. So only 12,000 is related to profession. Next, remuneration for articles published in a professional journal, it is a profession related. Next, by sale of medicine, it is also profession related. Next, by operation theatre rent 15,000, it is also profession related. Next, rent from house property, other source of income. Next, interest on post office bank account, it is also other source of income. Next, income from our horse race, it is also other sources of income. So second adjustment, depreciation on car, surgical equipment is 40%. Directly they gave 40% on surgical equipment and depreciation. If they did not mention, we will take according to the standard rates, right? So on laptop and books at 40%. Laptop and books also they mentioned 40%. Next, income tax, that I will explain. Next, gift from patient, that is also I explained. Next, closing stock. Here closing stock is given. So closing stock I will explain in the solution for your better understanding. This is very important question. They asked BCom in the year 2008. So you need to practice in two methods for your better understanding. Let's see this solution. Mercantile system. Under mercantile system, first we will see. So mercantile system, computation of professional income of Dr. Patel for the assessment year 1920. See, net profit as per profit and loss account they gave in the question. See, they gave to excess of income over expenditure. This is net profit, don't confuse here. It's not a separate adjustment, it's a net profit only. So the excess of income over expenditure, nothing but net profit, no. Net profit they gave 85,300. See, 85,300. Next, disallowable expenses debited to profit and loss account. What are the disallowable expenses? You came from step by step. First one, household expenses 15,000 they directly gave. Municipal tax also disallowable. Purchase of motor car 1,20,000. It's capital in nature, no. Next, laptop purchase 30,000. Next, purchase of books 6,000. Life insurance premium, that is also disallowable 15,000. Next, gift to wife 10,000, that is also disallowable. Next, loan installment paid, that is also disallowable, no. Next, donation to notified temple 10,000, that is also disallowable. Next, car expenses. So car expenses 20,000. Out of 20,000, 40% is disallowable because it's a personal use 8,000. Next, purchase of surgical equipment 30,000, that is also disallowable. Next, rent of clinic, I told, no. So only relevant previous year is allowable. Before previous year and after previous year is disallowable. 1,000 and 2,000, 3,000. Next, income tax. Out of 12,000, 2,000 is profession related, 10,000. Next, interest on loan, it's a personal or so interest on loan is personal, directly give 4,000. So that 4,000 is disallowable. Next, stock of medicines 7,500. So how you will get this stock of medicine? Nothing but we need to calculate cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold, what is the formula? Already you know. Opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. Oh, any opening stock is given in the question. Purchases is related to proportion, no? So how much is purchases given in the question? See the question. 35,000 purchase of medicines. So 35,000 purchases. Closing stock is given in the question, no? See, 7,500. 7,500. So cost of goods sold is 27,500, no? 35,000 minus 7,500. Cost of goods also related to business or related to profession, 27,500. No need to consider. So you need to differentiate between opening stock and cost of goods sold. So opening stock how much? Sorry, opening stock they did not give, right? So purchases 35,000 minus cost of goods sold 27,500. So how you will get this 27,500? 35,000 minus 7,500. You will get 27,500. So 35,000 minus 27,500, you will get 7,500. Are you understanding? I will explain once again. Cost of goods sold equals opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. Opening stock they did not give in the question. 35,000 minus 7,500 equals 27,500. So you will differentiate between purchases and cost of goods. Purchases is 35,000. Cost of goods sold is 27,500. So you need to differentiate between these two. So you will get 7,500. Don't take directly this closing stock. Okay. So here also 7,500 and you take the 7,500. Don't take like that. You need to differentiate between purchases and cost of goods sold. Are you getting? Yes. Next. Incomes related to profession, not related to profit and loss account. No, the type of incomes. Next, overvaluation of opening stock did not given. Next, undervaluation of closing stocks also they did not given. Next, allowable expenses not debited to profit and loss account. So, what are the allowable expenses? Less. We need to less, right? Depreciation and car 15%, 60% is it's a proportion. Other remaining 40% is personal. Next, depreciation or surgical equipment they directly given in the question. 40%. 30,000 into 40%, 12,000. Next, depreciation on books 6,000 into 40%. They directly given in the question. 2,400. Next, depreciation on laptop. They use less than 180 days, right? 30,000 into 40% into 1 by 2. Why this 1 by 2? It's a less than 180 days. You got 6,000. Next, income exempt or taxable under other head. What are the incomes they give? See, consultation fees 2017-18, 19-20. So 2018-19 is related to previous year. No, that will not consider. Only before previous year and after previous year. 5,500, 10,000, 15,500. Next, loan from bank, profession, it's other sources income. Next, loan from bank, personal, it is also other source of income. 1,25,000, 50,000. Next, gift from friends, rent from HP, interest on post office bank account, income from horse race. These are all other sources of income. Next, undervaluation of opening stock, overvaluation of closing stock. So they did not mention. So if we total all disallowable expenses, you will get 2,96,500. So net profit is 85,300. Disallowable expenses 2,96,500. If you total these two, you will get 3,81,800. So if you add all the lessing items, you will get 2,73,700. So if you deduct taxable income from profession is 1,08,800. Are you getting? Yes. Next we are discussing in the cash method. So in almost in every textbook they will not mention the mercantile system. So only they gave in the cash system. You need to solve more problems. Why? Because it's very important for the examination point of view. See, under cash system, first we need to take professional receipts. No, professional receipt. See, consultation fees. I already told. So only we need to take relevant previous year. Our relevant previous year is 18-19. So 18-19 only we need to take. 2017-18, 2019-20. These are already told disallowable. No, only we need to take relevant previous year. Relevant previous year is 85,000. Next, visiting fees, professional receipt. Next, gift from patients. See, gift from patients, how much? Gift from patients 20,000. Out of 20,000, 8,000 is for his marriage, right? So 20,000 minus 8,000, you will get 12,000. The 12,000 is related to profession. Next, remuneration for articles published in a professional journal, that is profession related. Next, sale of medicines. Sale of medicines, it is related to profession, 60,000. Next, operation theatre rent, 15,000. If you total all the professional related incomes, you got 2,45,000. Next, less professional expenses. So under professional expenses, rent we treated in consultation fees. No, in that same manner we need to treat rent. Next, electricity and water, profession related. Depreciation on motor car. See, depreciation on motor car, 1,20,000 into 15% into 60%. Other remaining 40% is personal. Only 60% we need to take. Next, depreciation on laptop. So laptop is less than 180 days they use. So 30,000 into 40% into 1/2, 6,000. Salary to compounder, profession related. Next, professional tax paid, 2,000. It is also professional related. Next, depreciation on professional books, 6,000 into 40%. So 2,400 you got. Next, expenses on IT proceedings, that is profession related. If in case income tax is disallowable, but expense on income tax is allowable. Next, interest on loan. So interest on loan is 10,000. What is that interest on loan? Profession interest on loan given, no? To interest on loan 10,000. 4,000 is disallowable, that is personal. So 10,000 is we need to consider here, no? 10,000, that is professional related. Next, car expenses. So 20,000 into 60%. Remaining 40% is personal. See, car expenses 20,000 they gave. So 40% is personal and 60% is profession. Next, depreciation on surgical equipment, 30,000 into 40%. 40% directly they gave in the question. So 12,000. Are you getting? Next, purchase of medicines, closing stock, 35,000 minus 7,500. I already told, no? 35,000 is its purchases minus 7,500. Why it is 7,500? This is closing stock. We need to find cost of goods sold. How much is cost of goods sold? 27,500. If you total all the professional expenses, you will get 1,36,900. If you deduct from 2,45,000 minus 1,36,900, you got for taxable professional income 1,08,100. Are you getting any doubt in this question? See, if you have any doubts, go through the video once again, because this is very important question for your examination point of view. You need to do in two methods. You will not find mercantile system in any textbook. You need to practice. That's why I am stressing so much on that.